Janna brings tomorrow's Sukal of 2898 AD. Kedar update: now fans can watch the second installment of the film. You will not have to wait long for the part. Because Prabhas yesterday's 2898 2. If the script is confirmed, then let's know that. When will the second part of Prabhas movie Kalki release? Remained. Let me tell you that in this film of Nag Ashwin, Prabhas, Amitabh Bachchan, Deepika Padukone and Kamal Haasan was seen in the lead role, after which fans are waiting for its second part. I am excited about its sequel. A recent update is filling. Director Nag Ashwin, in the interview, revealed that the script of Kalki 2 has been prepared. The work has been completed and the makers Prabhas, Kamal, waiting for Haasan and Amitabh Bachchan's dates, are doing. Hopefully after a few months, that is. Shooting will begin in the middle of this year. The film will go on the floors in the summer months. There are reports that it could be brought. Pre-production work of Kalki is half over. It is too much, with this Nag Ashwin has. It was also told that at the end of the year 2026, Kalki 2 to release in theatres worldwide. Can be released, it means clearly that the film was completed in about a year. It will be released after that. For your information, let me tell you that some parts of the film have already been shot. Also tell me that it is already done during the part that Deepika Padukone is currently on maternity leave. But he did it before his daughter was born. The last film that Ajay shot was. Now it is being said that Devgan is going to do Singham again. That she is going to shoot this film. That means he is going to return after the break. Overall, there have been plans for the sequel of Kolk. The story is now done and now it has to go on the floor. It is late, so now we have to see that. When will the makers announce the sequel of the film? And what is its release date? It remains to be seen whether this will go away. Tell me, do you also want the sequel of Kalki? I am excited about it and am waiting impatiently.